high above the city of Rio de Janeiro, where clouds touch the mountains and the ocean sinks below, a giant figure stands with open arms. His gaze is calm, his posture is welcoming, and his presence is larger than stone. It is a symbol carved into the heart of Brazil, Christ, the Redeemer. Welcome back, everyone. The story of this monument didn't begin with machines and concrete. It began with a dream. In the late 1800s, when Rio was still growing, a humble priest named Pedro Maria Bosch would climb the hills, look at the rising city below, and imagine a majestic statue of Christ watching over the people. He believed that if the city could see Christ every day, they would remember peace, kindness, and hope. But the world was not ready for his dream. Years passed. Brazil became independent. People wanted a symbol of unity, something that would connect every heart. In the year 1920, a group of believers gathered in Rio. They decided, the world may have forgotten the priest's dream, but we will bring it back. They chose a design, not a Christ of power, not a Christ of judgment, but a Christ of love. Arms wide open, facing the city, holding everyone equally. On a mountain named Corcovado, work began. The winds were strong, the mountain was steep, the machines could only climb so high. So workers carried heavy stones on narrow paths. Engineers studied every inch of the mountain. Artists shaped a face of calm compassion. It took 9 years of sweat, sacrifice, faith, and the unshakable belief that love can take physical form. In 1931, the statue was complete. Christ stood above Rio, 38 meters tall, arms stretched 28 meters wide, embracing the sky. Christ the Redeemer is not just stone, it is a message. When you stand before him, you don't just see a statue. You feel something, a quiet whisper inside your heart. His arms say, you're welcome here. His face says, peace is possible. His presence says, no matter who you are, where you come from, or what you believe, there is a place for you under these open arms. Christ the Redeemer is not only for Christians, it's a monument that speaks the language of humanity. Over the years, storms attacked the mountain. Lightning struck his hands. Rain carved marks on his body. But every time nature tested him, the people of Rio healed him. They repaired their monument as if repairing their own hope. Because for the people, Christ the Redeemer is not just an idol. He's a guardian, a reminder that even when life strikes us, we can rise again. In 2007, people around the globe were asked, what are the 7 wonders of the modern world? Millions of hearts voted, and Christ the Redeemer was chosen. If you ever travel to Rio, when you stand at his feet, you feel small, but in the best way. And somewhere inside you, a voice whispers, life is bigger than my fears. Thanks a lot for watching.